There's no single secret to a happy life. If you want to be happy, then just try to be one in all the situations. Be positive, be optimistic, and just like these, there can be various ways to be happy. Life's too short for regrets. So the first thing to do is to acknowledge anything that's holding you back. Accept karna is the most important. Unless you won't accept what is hurting you, you won't go ahead. Accept karo और फिर आगे बढ़ो. Well, hello and welcome back. This is Maulik Agrawal and you are looking at things that should not control your life. Fear, the first component. एक ऐसी चीज जो आपको अपने आप को पहचानने का मौका ही नहीं देती. Guys, you might have a fear of getting caught, fear of failing, fear of losing someone. But going against this fear is the only way of seeing what's on the other side. Do it today or regret it tomorrow. Don't let the fear of doubt or fear enter into your mental space. Remember, you have massive potential. So from the moment you open your eyes in the morning, your mindset has to be win. Win the fear inside you. Moving ahead to second component. What others think, the most common virus among people. दुनिया का सबसे कॉन्फिडेंट आदमी भी एक बार ये ज़रूर सोचता है कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड इनसिक्योरिटी एंड ये ह्यूमन नेचर है. हमारे हिसाब से वो सही होता है जो दुनिया ने बताया है, बिकॉज अगर अगेंस्ट जाओगे तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे. वाई शुड वी केयर हाउ अदर्स परसीव आवर चॉइसेस. 7.8 बिलियन पीपल विथ 15.8 बिलियन परसेप्शंस कितनों को खुश करोगे. द मोमेंट आप ये सोचोगे और छोड़ दोगे इस चीज़ को सोचना कि क्या सोचेंगे लोग, व्हाट अदर्स थिंक, यू विल फील लेस प्रेशर. मेक योर ओन रूल्स, मेक योर ओन चॉइसेस माय फ्रेंड. Component 3. Negative emotions. Anger, jealousy, hate. These three words are more than enough to make you touch the rock bottom. सिंपल भाषा में बोलूँ, हर वो डिसीजन जो आपने नेगेटिव इमोशंस के टाइम पे लिया गया है वो गलत ही होगा एंड दैट लीड्स टू रिग्रेट. You might be a good decision maker, but there are still high chances that you will make a bad decision in such traits. Learn to control them and do not allow them to control you. Follow your own path, mind your own business, and just avoid these negative emotions. Moving ahead to component 4, the most important component of this world, money. The most dominating source in today's world. Also, for the people who say money cannot buy happiness, I don't differ you, but you're partially right. Because sometimes it is the only thing that can save the life of your loved ones. You will never be satisfied if you chase money. Understand that money is to keep the score of how far you come or how hard have you worked for it. I'm not saying that money is the key, but guys, money is also the key because it cannot buy everything in this world. It cannot buy the peace of your mind. So stop chasing it and work on yourself. Money will come automatically. And now to the most important component other than money, especially for our generation, is that anyone other than you should not control you. Guys, हमारी feelings, हमारे emotions कई बार हम पे इतने हावी हो जाते हैं कि people use it to control you because somehow they know you care. And remember, the moment they know you care, they'll walk all over you. I hope guys ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा. एंड जाते जाते एक बात और बोलूँगा कि कोविड ने हमारे पूरे देश में, हमारी पूरी दुनिया में एक नया एरा क्रिएट कर दिया एजुकेशन का. एंड अब स्कूल एजुकेशन से ज़्यादा सेल्फ एजुकेशन ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज लाइक गूगल, Amazon, they are looking for people who are well skilled. So now it's important for us to brush up our skills. And the team of SkillBuzz has made it easy for you all by providing a variety of courses. I've shared the link in the description. Do check them out and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Keep watching, stay safe, stay home and be healthy. Thank you.